I'm Michelle Singh, and I proudly serve as Director at Large for KDP. One of my greatest hopes in my role is to ensure that every educator, no matter what your journey looks like, whether you're just starting or you have decades in, I want to make sure that you feel seen, supported, and celebrated. As someone who migrated to the United States very young, I know the power of having a village, from the village I had growing up to the village I had when I became a teacher, to a district leader, to an entrepreneur, to a professor in higher ed. I know what it means to have community, and I know what it means to have support. KDP is the place for you, and I want you to feel like it is your village. We are that space that uplifts, that enriches, that celebrates you to lead in your own unique way.